Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Today, I designed and 3D printed this intricate wall art piece, and I'm about to take it to the next level by adding mirrors. Let's go through the process. This design features a geometric floral pattern with circular slots around the edges. I modeled it to fit small mirrors, giving it a modern yet decorative look. The goal was to make something lightweight and easy to print, but visually stunning. I printed it using PLA Plus on my FDM printer. It took about 6 hours to complete, and overall, the result looks pretty clean. Now comes the fun part, adding the mirrors. I measured these slots to fit the mirrors we got, did a test print, and after it got done printing, we found they fit very well. We'll still use some CA glue for extra security at the end. With the mirrors in place, the whole design really pops. The reflections add depth and make it a visually stunning piece for wall decor. It's lightweight, stylish, and definitely eye-catching. Whether for home decor or a gift, this project was a success. What do you think? Would you add a different twist to this design? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D printed creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.